To stop the spread of the COVID-19 coronavirus, everyone who can is working from home. My sister Yasminda Miller is a fourth-year biology major at Columbus State University. With lots of hands-on learning approaches, one of her science labs is still figuring out how to merge to online.
I think it really takes away from our learning process by not being able to go in and have a hands-on approach in the lab. And so a lot of the things we were working on in lab this semester, we can't.
Yasminda is also a part of two different research teams, one of which studies bass in the Chattahoochee River.
It's kind of hard to be able to go out there and catch it, especially right now. Right now it's spawning season, and that's really important for us to be able to go out there and get the fish to bring them back to study them.
Our mom, Toya Miller, is deemed an essential worker and does medical billing and coding. She has just gotten back to work after being laid off for 2 weeks.
This was my first week back at work. And I was happy that I was called in to come back to work. However, I was a little nervous.
And her administration has not instilled sanitizers or personal protective equipment to keep everyone safe.
We, the workers, are doing it ourselves.
Another essential worker that might be overlooked at this time are postal workers. My dad, Rick Miller, is a mail carrier with the United States Postal Service in Pensacola, Florida. He says his work has issued some PPE, but not enough.
It's not enough to sustain another week or two, actually, because of the number of stops that I have, the number of times that I have to discard the used items. So there's just a lot of it that needs to be a stop for us, but it's just not the case right now.
Kelsey Miller, Grady News Source.